Support Serbia.
We are living in a challenging time for humanity. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected every part of our planet. Despite the challenges, the world is showing solidarity and providing assistance to the victims. Serbia is one of the countries affected, and it's doing everything in its power to protect and save its people and to give its contribution to fighting the pandemic. With joint efforts, the pandemic will soon be over and the world will win. We will all go back to our daily responsibilities, but let's remain together in solidarity for the time to come too. Let's show solidarity to cluster munitions victims. Let's show support and encouragement to the countries that still haven't joined the Convention of Cluster Munition. We support Serbia in all its solidarity efforts, and we will support Serbia on its path to join the Convention on Cluster Munitions. Support solidarity, support humanity, support life.